Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've already prepped my skin, like washed it and stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my face with some Palmer's cocoa butter. My go-to, my fave. I've literally used it since I was 1 year old, mate. Gonna put that Vaseline, honey, all over my lips. I'm gonna brush out my brows with a Beauty Brush, a Morphe Beauty Brush. And then I'm gonna dip my angled brush into my MUA Brow Powder Palette in the shade Dark Brown. I use hairlight strokes also when I go through my brows, just so that it looks more natural and not dark. And I don't like dark brows anyway, but I don't like them to look like I've just drawn them on with a felt tip, like no. Don't forget guys to keep brushing with your Beauty Brush as you're going, so that you can blend out the product so that there's not much build up, well, so that there's no build up, and to make sure that the product's all distributed evenly in your brow and that it's not patchy. That's the worst, having patchy brows. It literally does not look cute. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. Just going to put that all over my lid and underneath my brow bone, just to highlight my brow, and use it as a base for the eyeshadow obviously. But this, the hype, yeah, I've heard about this Makeup Revolution concealer. I totally get it. It's so thick, so creamy. Like, it's just spot on. Like, I actually love it. Like, I literally, since I've used this, which was about a couple of weeks ago, I literally have never stopped. This is going to be my go-to, and I mean, it's £4, so you can't really go wrong, can you? £4 each time. I'm usually spending a tenner or 15 quid on a concealer, which is ridiculous, I know. I'm just gonna blend away, honey, with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And then I'm gonna take my MUA Translusant Pressing Powder. I'm going to go in with my Revolution Newtrals 2 palette and use my fluffy Morphe blending brush. This palette is literally to die for. Like, I love the colours, the shimmers, the shines, like, God. This is the first time I've ever used pinks on my eyes though, any type of pink on my eyes. I never wear pink or use pink eyeshadows, but now I'm going to, like, all the time. I'm going to use the same Morphe blending brush. I'm going to use the exact same brush again. That's the good thing, just use the brush over and over again, because they're all similar colours, and because I'm going darker and darker, not lighter and lighter. Obviously if you're going lighter and lighter, then use a different brush, but if you're going darker and darker, then there's no issue with it. Guys, don't forget to blend properly, okay, because you don't want any harsh lines or any like patches of bright colour. But I'm going to go in with just a flat brush and the same Makeup Revolution concealer just to do a cut crease, but I'm only doing it to like like 3/4 of the way, because I don't want a full-on cut crease. I will do a look soon though on a full-on cut crease. That's my fave. I'm going to go ahead and use like the white shade in the same Newtrals 2 palette with just a flat fluffy brush. And then I'm going to take the darkest shimmer shade and just put that in the middle of the cut crease. These shimmers are like, oh, so sparkly and like I just love them. Just love them, love them, love them. I'm going to take a light shimmer colour and just put that on the corner of my eye of the cut crease. I didn't even need to wet the brush beforehand either to apply the shimmers. I'm going to go in and use just a glitter eyeliner. I got this one for £4 from Superdrug. It's so hard to get the perfect line, like you've proper got to concentrate. I'm going to go ahead and use the Bbay gold glitter just to give it more of a pop. I'm going to use my hair bonding glue for my Ardell natural lashes. I know you shouldn't use this on your eyelashes, right, because it pulls out your eyelashes and stuff, but my god, these eyelashes stay on the whole night, the next morning, literally the next day. They're amazing. I don't know the name of the mascara, by the way, but I know it's by Maybeline. The eyelashes look so natural, that looks so nice too. I'm going to go in with my True Match foundation and just put that all over the face. My hair looks so funny. I'm going to go in and use my Maybelline concealer as well in the colour Nude. It's one of my fave concealers as well. I think it's like an anti-aging concealer with a little sponge on the end. But it's so good and thick and creamy also. I also use the Makeup Revolution on the eyes as well to highlight my eyes a little bit more because I do like my under eye to look pretty bright. blend, blend, blend with the Beauty Blender. I'm going to use the same MUA translucent pressing powder as well. Honey. I'm going to use exactly the same shades that I use for my eyeshadow for the bottom. I just take a little bit of brown just to make it that little bit darker, to make it pop, 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 pop. I'm going to put all the brushes and the products that I use in the description bar below as well, just in case I've missed anything out, and that so that you know where to purchase the items also. I'm going to use my MUA bronzer. I'm going to use that to contour my face. Contour my nose also. I'm gonna use the Fenty highlighter in Concelar. I can't say it normally because it's just I just can't, okay. But I use that on my nose, my cupid's bow, my eyebrow, and my cheekbone. But this Concelar highlighter is just banging. One of my faves. I'm just going to use any brown liner, pencil or lip liner, just to outline my lips. I overline the top of my lips because I feel like I ain't really got much of a top lip thanks to my dad's side of the family. And I go in with the shade from NYX Liquid Matte Lipstick in Abu Dhabi, and I also use a pink one by NYX, but I couldn't find it. But here is the finished look, honeys. I hope you enjoyed it. I literally love this look. One of my go-tos for when I go out now, for sure. Like, I did buy an outfit to go with this video as well, but Pretty Little Thing like fucked up my order, and it came 4 days later when I paid for next day delivery. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what kind of other looks you want and stuff. But I'm living for this look. It is banging me. It's fucking banging. I know I swear a lot, but